What's up, lawn crew? Before I forget, I just want to give a quick update to my lawn where we're at with the renovation. Went through 2 rounds of selective Roundup, as in I didn't hit the entire lawn but just a few spots. So I've got these massive splotches all over the lawn that just looks ugly. I want to show you what it looks like before and after I mow, so here's the halfway point. I'm really kicking up a lot of dust doing this right now. We just got about 2 inches of rain the other day. If you're looking at the areas that are actually not hit, it looks pretty healthy actually. I didn't do much of anything to this year. You know, some of this grass, like by the fence here, actually looks halfway decent if you just ignore the brown spots. It's amazing what a little bit of rain can do after 2 weeks of drought. It's a little crunchy, but you know, even after all that much rain, it's still completely rock hard down here. I'm definitely going to have to apply some more humic acid treatments as well as aeration next weekend. So most of my nasty, noxious weeds are gone. I don't see any sort of like grassy weeds left. Maybe here's a couple little pieces here of undesirable grass. I'm not sure if that's quack or whatever, but I probably took out 95% of the undesirable grassy weeds with the Roundup, whatever the tenacity wasn't able to get. So this is where I'm at. I'm gonna finish mowing this area. I dropped it down from 2.5 inches down to 1.5 inches. The mower's getting a good workout. You can see how much I actually took off the top here, so I'm gonna drop it as low as the mower will go, which is 2 more notches before I actually do the aeration. So I'm just gonna get real super low. You can see the height that I'm mowing at right now. Not a lot. There's dirt. So I think I'm gonna have good seed to soil contact once I actually get down a little bit further, aeration and dethatching. And let's hope for the best. Anyway, just a quick update here. If you like this video, stay tuned for more. There's going to be a huge renovation in a couple of weeks. So hit subscribe if you want to see that. Let's get the mower fired up. And then you can see how much dust this actually kicks back. As I've been saying, you gotta make it ugly before it can be beautiful again. I can't wait to see the transformation from this junk. Awesome seed. It's not as bad as I would have thought, scalping that much off the top. Even the short stuff that I took 1 inch off just now, it's still pretty green, more or less. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching.